This is the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro, a high-definition outdoor security camera. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and in the past, I've tried many other outdoor security cameras. In this video, I'll share how it compares to others and why it's one of my favorites. Inside the box, you'll find the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro, a camera mount, a quick-release battery pack, installation hardware, a micro USB charging cable, a setup guide, and a security sticker. I found the setup to be much easier than I expected. Once it's mounted, simply connect it to Wi-Fi using the Ring app on your phone. Then the app guides you through the remaining steps, making the process pretty simple overall. It took me just between 5 and 10 minutes to complete the entire setup. Using this is really easy. The camera comes with 3D motion detection, a live video feed, and customizable motion zones. Plus, you can tweak the settings anytime through the Ring app, which is super simple to use. I really like the sleek, modern design of this device. The camera itself is about 6 inches tall, 3 inches wide, and 3 inches deep. Plus, it's weather resistant, so it can handle tough conditions without a problem. I was really impressed with this camera's video quality. It records in 2K with HDR and color night vision, so I can clearly see what's happening both day and night. One of its standout features is the bird's eye view, which gives a unique overhead perspective, something I didn't find on models like the Ring Floodlight Cam or the Ring Stick-Up Cam plugin. In general, the Ring Stick-Up Cam and other similar models offer fewer features and slightly lower 1080p resolution. They also lack built-in lights, a siren, and a quick-release battery, making them more compact and simple for indoor or outdoor use. On the other hand, this camera and models like the Ring Floodlight Cam are more robust and feature-packed. However, while the Floodlight Cam also has a 1080p resolution and takes longer to set up, it doesn't offer the bird's eye view feature that this one does. Overall, I think this camera delivers way more useful features than these other models, making it the better choice generally. If you're looking for a high-definition, user-friendly, and durable outdoor camera to enhance your security anytime, anywhere, this is a great choice. After using the Ring Spotlight Cam for the past few weeks, I've been really impressed with its features, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a reliable home security solution.